So here's how to make money with stable diffusion. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Chrome browser, and then here you have to simply search for the stable diffusion AI and then click on the very first link. If you are looking to make money with stable diffusion, you might consider the following approach. You can use the stable diffusion model to generate unique and creative images from text. This could be useful for creating visual content for websites, marketing materials, or other design projects. You can also sell these items or arts on any platform to earn money. If you are an artist or designer, you could incorporate the generated images into your artwork. You might create custom artwork, illustrations, or graphics for clients. You can also generate images that could be sold as stock photos on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or other similar platforms. Offer services where you take text description from client and generate images that match their vision. This could be used for books, covers, promotional materials, and more. Create and sell prints, merchandise, or digital downloads featuring images generated by the stable diffusion model. You can also generate images to enhance blog posts, social media content, or other online materials, potentially boosting engagement and attracting more viewers. Remember that choosing any AI model, including stable diffusion, requires creativity, effort, and consideration of the ethical and legal implications of the generated content. Additionally, the success of your endeavors will depend on the factors such as the quality of the generated images, the uniqueness of your offerings, and effective marketing strategies. So that's how to make money on stable diffusion.